What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin, and in case you're watching me for the first time, you are absolutely welcome. You are at the right place where you get to learn a whole lot of things about natural hair, how to have healthy and luscious looking natural hair while having fun along the way. So today's video I am going to be showing you an easy way to trim your natural hair, because I have quite a number of friends that have natural hair like me, and they tell me that they can't actually trim their hairs by themselves, and I wonder why. Well, not everybody can be a hair enthusiast like me, and I understand that. And that is why I'm here for you, to make things easy for you. I'm going to be showing you in details how you can trim your natural hair without straightening, in a very easy way, so to say. So if that sounds like something you might want to know more about, then you should definitely keep on watching. So what's up guys, today we are going to be trimming my hair in a very easy way, and you want to put your hair in sections. Mine is already in sections because I already washed and detangled my hair in sections. I have videos on that on my channel. I'm going to put a link in the description box. So the first thing you want to do, as you can see, I have dead ends, like those ends are dead, and we're going to be cutting it off. So the first thing you want to do is to take down your twist if your hair is already in twist like mine. So can you see my curls are popping? Okay, moving on, I'm going to just start by moisturizing my hair. This is how long my hair is right now, and the ends are thin. So the first thing I'm going to do is to moisturize my hair with a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be applying a generous amount of that just to moisturize my hair again. And then I'm just going to be using my hand to separate the curls, to detangle it, and then I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb just to remove all those tangles, all those knots. You want to get your hair as straight as possible. Then after using the wide tooth comb, you also want to use a smaller comb, and as you can see, the dead ends of my hair are already coming out. They're already coming out, like you can see them more easily now. And you want to continue to brush your hair, to comb through your hair, to remove all the knots and tangles, so that the strands of your hair can lay really flat. I'm still going to use two other combs. This is the third one. I'm using a detangling brush because I want to get the strands to be as straight, to lie really flat, so that I can see the dead ends really well and really easily. And as you can see, it's actually easier for me to see my dead ends this way. I'm actually using the smallest comb that I have, which is the rat tail comb, to comb through my hair now, and this is the only time I use this particular comb to comb through my hair. So I just want to do that, and so that I can see my split ends really well. And as you can see, it's really obvious now. It's really obvious where my split ends end. Yes, something like that. So I'm just going to be using my hand, my fingers, to pull it out, to pull my hair, to make sure that the split ends are really obvious. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm just going to be using my hand to smoothen my hair, to make sure that the strands are lying really flat, and then I'm just going to be using my fingers to pull out the split ends, yeah, to make sure that the split ends are very obvious. And then I'm just going to use my hand to pull my hair into a tiny, I don't know how best to explain it guys, but just as I see it like this, just into a small dot like this, and then I'm just going to be cutting that small part away. That is not all the split end that is in this particular section of hair, but I'm just going to start gradually, because you don't want to cut all at once. If you cut all at once, you're just going to cut some of your healthy hair too, and you don't want that. You want to cut just the split ends. So the next thing I'm doing is just combing through it again, smoothing my strands down with my hands. And as you can see, the ends actually look a little bit better than how it looked before. Yeah, so I want to continue to do that, smoothing my hair with my fingers, and then bringing out the split ends just as you are seeing it right now, and then cutting it until I'm satisfied with the ends of my hair. Okay, So guys, can you see that the ends of my hair are actually looking a lot more better than how it looked before? Look at the before and after. And so after that, I'm just going to put my hair in a twist and then move to the next section. Okay, before I move to the next section, I can see that there's still a very tiny part of my ends that I need to cut away, and I'm just going to cut that away. Do not look at it as if I'm cutting so much hair. At the end of the day, I really like the way my hands were looking. Look at it before and look at it now. You want your hands to be thick, you want it to be the same from the roots to the tip. So moving on to the next section, you can see that there are split ends in this one too, and I'm just going to be cutting that in a bit too. Can you see how thick my hair is from the roots? That is how you want your hair to be, from the roots to the tip, and that's why I'm going to be cutting away the split ends. And my hair has been like this. The last time I trimmed my hair was last year September, so I feel like it's necessary for me to cut this much. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just combing through my hair with my combs and making sure that my hair strands are as flat as possible, and then using my fingers to pull the ends of my hair. That way the split ends can be really obvious. Can you see that? Can you see where the thickness of my hair got to? Yeah, that is where you want to cut away. So you are just going to roll your hair into a small dot like this and then start cutting gradually, because you don't want to cut your hair all at once. Like I said before, you want to cut gradually so you don't cut some of your healthy ends. Okay, so that's what I'm just going to continue to do, to smoothen my hands, smoothing my hair to make sure that the strands are flat, and then at the tip use my fingers to pull the hair so that the split ends can be very obvious, and then cut. Okay, so that's basically the simple way I trim my hair. That's the easy way to trim false natural hair. That's my method. If you have any method that works for you too, that's fine, you know. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.